What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another video. For just 100 rupees, can you buy something useful online? Well, the term useful differs as per each one's needs and perspective. Whatever it is, in this video, I have 12 plus amazing products around the 100 rupees range that you'll find super handy. You guys are gonna love it. Sit back and enjoy. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss the next amazing episode. I hope you guys will do it. Alright. First product on my list is something amazing and a super handy one. Usually when you want to stitch at home, inserting thread in a needle requires a lot of patience and at times is frustrating. And for elderly people, it is even more tough. Well, no worries. Meet the automatic needle threader. This is a small yet insanely handy tool which will make your life so easy. All plastic build, it's decent. All you need to do is take your needle and insert the needle eye in the needle slot. Then press the button on the side until a hook pops out. Keep pressing, don't release it. Now take the thread and hang it in this hook. Now release the button. Go ahead and pull the needle. Bam! Wasn't that easy? Hell yeah! Cool, right? A simple yet handy automatic needle threading device that will make your life so easy. Can also be a great gift to elderly people. For around Rs 110, you get a single unit and as a combo deal around 3 units for Rs 200. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the best buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is a set of things that you must have at home. Starting off with the Stanley 3 meters metal measuring tape. This is a handy tool to have at home and trust me, for just around Rs 89, you can't find anything better. Stanley is a well-known 100-plus-year-old brand when it comes to handy tools. This one is a made in India product. Anyways, build is super solid. You will feel it when you hold it. A clip here and the super smooth metal 3 meters measuring tape with super clear markings. You also get a 5 meter model in this for a little higher price. And here you get a lock. Just pull the tape and lock it and it holds it in place. When you want to release it, just slide. Bam! With this I have 2 strong screwdrivers that can handle most household fixing needs. These are from Black & Decker. The Phillips screwdriver costs around Rs 79 and the flathead around 99. Trust me, they're totally worth it. Both the screwdrivers are made of chrome vanadium steel with a black coated magnetic tip.
Sounds like they got it from Wakanda.
Sure. The handle is sturdy and grippy. While fixing stuff, screwdriver is the last thing you want broken. But with this, you don't have to worry about that. It is like a strong Hulk. Haha. Handy screwdrivers and measuring tape that you should have at home because be it DIY or household fixing, they come in super handy. Want to grab one? We'll leave the best buy links to these tools in the description. Check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something cute yet handy. Meet the mini elephant. Haha. This cute small elephant is a mobile cum tablet stand. Yep, you can see the curvy trunk. That is where you place your mobile, either horizontally or vertically. And guess what? You can also place tablets up to 7.9 inches. Cool, right? Build is simple, all plastic, comes in multiple colors. But however, the color selection is at the seller's mercy. Anyways, I wish they had given detailed eyes to it instead of this tiny emboss. Well, I think I can put one with a marker. Nice. But even better, just get a googly eye from your nearest fancy store and stick it. Aha! There, much better, right? A cute elephant-shaped mini mobile cum tablet stand that not only spices up your desk but will also come in super handy during online classes, video calls, watching videos and more. For around Rs 100, a simple yet very handy product. With this, I also have another nice foldable angle adjustment stand. All plastic build is good for what you pay. Just unfold and you have different angle adjustments so you can set it as per your convenience. And yes, this can take both smartphone and tablet. Cool, right? So if you're looking for a one with an angle adjustment, then this is the way to go. If you want something more stylish, then the mini elephant stand. This costs around Rs 63 per unit and it comes in a 3-unit combo. Definitely worth the price you pay. Want to grab one? We'll leave the best buy links to both in the description. Check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something for bikers. Bam! Check out the 3M Bike Riding Safety Goggle. 3M again is a well-known brand. This simple yet handy goggle will protect your eyes while driving from dust particles, flying objects, insects and more. Build is really good, and hey, it is insanely light in weight. For the price you pay, I have nothing to crib. Speaking of which, it costs around ₹66. Polycarbonate build, it is big enough so that you can use it with your power glasses on. The sides are well covered. So yes, a simple product but handy while you drive. For ₹66, definitely impressive. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something that will be useful during night time. Meet the GM 0.5 watt focus night lamp. Want a subtle, non-disturbing, easy to use night lamp? Then for ₹100, this is something that you have to check out. GM again is a well-known brand when it comes to switchboards and lamps. This is a made in India product. And here it is. Build is good. Just plug it in any power outlet and bam, this is how it looks. Cool, right? It's bright enough, but at the same time, not too bright that might disturb your sleep. A nice yet simple night lamp. With this, check out the GM Zoom lamp, a circular 0.5 watt night lamp which costs around ₹95. This again is similar to the focus lamp, but if you want something a little more brighter, then you can choose this. Both are worthy for what you pay. Want to grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy links to both in the description, check it out. Alright, next product on my list is something that will be handy when you travel. Check out the Gisga Essential G11 carry case. This is a portable carry case for your earphones, adapter, pen drives, SD cards and more, so that you can carry them safely in your pocket, bag, whatever during travel. Build is surprisingly good for what you pay. It's solid on all sides. Nylon fabric on top. Quality zipper. This is the green color, also comes in blue. Open and it has a soft fabric layer inside with a pocket to store small accessories like USB drives, memory cards and more. If you carry a earphone in your pocket, it might get tangled or damaged, but storing in this will avoid all those issues. Close and bam, a super compact carry case to carry around.
Oh no!
Bam boom bam! Compact King is here, folks. Exclusive texture and comparison time.
Well, if I have to say, the size of the carry case is approximately in the size of a 150-gram Mysore sandal soap.
What?
Yep, crazy but true. Another exclusive Texan comparison. In the lightning deal, I grabbed it for around ₹110. Definitely a worthy carry case for your small gadgets and accessories. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, next I have two products that is a must-have handy one during these COVID times. Check out the mask adjuster strap. Trust me, this is a simple yet very handy one to help free your ears from pain when wearing a mask for a long time. Because the elastic band or the thread of the mask presses against your ears, causing pain when wearing for long hours. This small product will help you with that. In the pack, you get 5 mask adjuster straps with different level adjustments. So from kids to adults, anybody of any size and age can use this. All you need to do is, depending on your comfort, hang the ear strap of the mask on the protector buckle. Then put on the mask. Bam! Now the pressure from your ears is gone. And not only that, it gives a more grippy fit. Trust me, it's hard to explain in words. You gotta try this. From kids to adults who wear masks for prolonged hours, this will come in very handy. For ₹100, you get 5 adjuster straps. Definitely worth it. With this, check out the Savlon Germ Protection Travel Wet Wipes Pack. This wipes pack has 10 alcohol wipes that is safe to use on skin or any surface to clean. Handy when you're outdoors and want to clean your hands, wipe your face, clean a gadget, say like your phone, could be anything. Use cases are many. For just ₹45, this is a must-have pack that you should carry along when you step out. We'll leave links to both products in the description, check it out. Alrighty, time for the special product of this video, and this time, something many were asking me, a good charger adapter on a super low budget. Well, my pick is the Pinnacle 12-watt USB charger adapter. Guess what? This again is a made in India product. The build is good, has a single USB slot that supports up to 5V 2.4 ampere, and it suits any type of smartphone, both Android and iPhone, and also gadgets like Bluetooth speakers, tablets, etc. The charging speeds depend on your device battery capacity, and most importantly, the cable that you're using. Make sure to use a good quality cable. Overall, for around ₹150, definitely a quality charger adapter that you can consider for your devices without spending much. Want to grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. So, that's it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Want to buy any of the products featured in this video? Best Buy links are in the description, check it out. Price might fluctuate plus or minus time to time. It's not in my control, guys. So please understand. Price depends on a lot of other factors like stock, demand, and more. Like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in another exciting video. Until then.